Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Casper Studio. In this video, you'll be learning how to make a keyhole kaftan. It's a kaftan with keyhole by the sides. The measurements I'll be needing, I'll need the gown length, which is 57 inches. I'll need the bust circumference, which is 40 inches. The waist circumference is 34.5, and the hip circumference is 43 inches. So let's roll. I'll first take the vertical measurement. I'll take the shoulder to waist measurement. That's 15.5 with sewing allowance. From my shoulder to our bust line is 10 inches. From our shoulder to the hip is 27.5. So this is the bust line. This is the bust line, the waistline, and the hip line. Don't forget, this is the shoulder line. On the shoulder line, here, I'll measure the width of the neck, the nape of the neck. For bust 40, I'll use 3 inches. So from here, I will slant the shoulder down. Our shoulder width is 16. So I need just 1 inch slope. I'll mark it. So from the nape of the shoulder, I will extend the shoulder down, passing through this 1 inch mark for the slope of the shoulder. Let me take it again. This is the shoulder line. This is the nape of the neck. Not the neck width now, the nape. From the side of the neck to the other side of the neck. For bust 40, I will use 3 inches. If the bust is more than 40, for 42 also I will use 3 inches. For 44, I will use like 3.25. For a bust that's less than 38, I will use 3.2. I will use 2.75. 2.75, the bust is less than 38. So I mark the shoulder width, which is 8 inches. I didn't add allowance because I'll still use the whole length of this fabric for our shoulder. So I mark 1 inch here for the slope of the shoulder. Since my shoulder will still extend to this place, this will represent the arm. Of course, I'm not cutting it away. So from here, I'll pass through this point and roll. Good. The next point I'll work on is the waist line. The waist circumference is 34.5. Let's approximate that to like 36, that's 9. I need 2 inches in, that's 11 inches. So up the line and down the line, I mark this down the line. Then up the line also, I mark 11. 11. 36 plus 2. So I want to add extra half. 11.5. This is the line that will determine the position of the keyhole. So on each side of this line, 11.5, I'll mark 1 inch. 1 inch to the side. 1 inch to the side. Depending on how big you want the hole to be. Then on the waistline now, down the waistline, I measure 2 inches. Up the waistline, measure 2 inches. So I'm going to create a hole from this rectangle. I'll create a hole from this rectangle. I use my curve and my beauty lines as my guideline. Since I have a rectangle, so I use that. So I'm going to cut this out now for my wig. I've cut the shoulder slope. So the next step now is to cut out the hole. So the next step now is to cut the neck. After cutting the neck, I'll have to go and sew the hole before I do the remaining measurement. The neck width is going to be 4.5. Then the depth is going to be 4 inches. 4.5 on the width, then 4 inches on the height. The front and back are the same. Okay. So to turn this keyhole, this is what we're going to do. There are several methods of doing it. So you can do it this way. Next, at the right side now. So I'm holding this together. Another thing you should do is try to knot so that you know the center and where to align. So I'm notching the up and down for easy alignment. So on the right side now, see what I'm trying to do. So I'm trying to fix it. I try to pick here and here. Then I try to fix them together. Then I find my way to the, see the notchings aligning. So gently and easily I will sew all the way around. Taking it. So that's how I will sew it all the way right around. In that way, it will not pose any problem. So up here, so I make sure the notchings are aligning. That's how I will continue sewing until I've sewn it all. So see this side I've pinned now. So by the time I finish doing everything, the sewing allowance will be inside. Very simple. So let me take it to the machine, sew it, then bring it for you to see. After sewing it now, this will how. So the next step now is to give it some notchings, then give it a very good pressing. The other side also, after sewing this will I have. So I'll go ahead and notch this right one, then press, give it a good ironing. After notching it, this was I have. Before pressing it, I've not pressed it. Our clip line is 24. I don't want to do more marking here. Our clip circumference is 42 divided by 4. That's 10.5. I'll add ease of half inch. So from here now, I have 11 inches there. I need about 16 inches there. That's plus 5. So from here, I will move it to the hip marking. Then from the hip to the waist. So this is how I'm going to sew it now. I will sew from here all the way down. I might decide to give it some slits, some opening, maybe of about 14 inches or 15 inches. Let's make it 15. So I'll sew from here to this point here. So I'll turn to the other side and do the same one. So I mark 24 for the hip line. So on there I measure 11 inches. At the base, I added 5 inches to the 11, making 16. Under the 16 inches. And I connect to waist. So I'll go and sew on this line now.